Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Robin Lachey, and we are back with another video. Before I get on the charts, I like to go ahead and do all my personal hygiene. Right now you see me washing my face, and I feel like putting a mask on this morning, so I'm going to clean my face really good, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on my mask. I normally use a deep cleansing mask on my face about once a week, and I like the Indian clay mask, and I mix it with a little vinegar, and here I am looking a mess, but I really love how this mask makes my skin feel. It really has my skin feeling so soft and refreshed, and that's exactly what I need before I hit the charts. So now I'm just rinsing the mask off my face, and we're about to hit the charts. Today is Thursday, January the 23rd, and we are currently looking at the market. The time is 9:50, and I am just now getting to the charts. I'm normally on the charts around 8:30, but today has been one of those mornings. It is also my first trading day of the week. Let's see if we can find a setup in the market. We had news at 8:30, and we also have news coming up at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to see if we can find a setup before 11. If not, I will not be trading until after news, or I would not be looking for a trade until after news. NAS100 was in a lot of consolidation, so looks like price want to continue bullish above this level, but we'll see what the market wants to do. I'll probably wait on the next candle to see if I decide on what I want to do, because it could still potentially go down and take more liquidity. But let's just see how this candle reacts and how the next candle comes in. Now let's head on over to gold. Gold looks like it wants to maybe push down, and I'm expecting price to come to this level. We're currently looking at the 5-minute time frame right now. On the 5-minute, it does look like an uptrend, but the higher time frame is showing me something different. So I'm going to wait for the next 5-minute candle and see if I can get an entry. If not, I'll be waiting for a setup. So for today, I'm looking for a setup on either gold or either NAS100. And NAS100 is pushing down, so yeah, anything could happen. Here we are back on the charts, and we are looking for a setup. Now it is currently 11 o'clock, so news just hit. So I want to see how the market reacts. We're currently looking at gold, and gold is looking good. I'm waiting for some nice rejection, so I'm going to continue to be patient and see if I can find a good entry. Doesn't look like news really affected NAS100, but if I can get a good entry on this as well, I'll be entering the market for a buy. Overall, I'm just going to take my time and see how the market plays out. I'm currently waiting for the next candle, but I'm going to go in for some buys, and I think I want to enter early. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the market about here. Sometimes I wait for break of the candle, but I think that this trade could play out. So I went ahead and entered the market early, and we're going to hold and see can we get a win. We are currently in NAS100, and I went for a buy. I have my stop loss set and my take profit area. I'm hoping to get to my take profit area. I may close a little early. It just depends on what the market is doing. But overall, I will let you guys know what I decide to do. And if I do end up leaving the charts, I have my alert set. So TradingView will alert me if my trade hits TP, and I leave the charts. I am currently 30 minutes into this trade, and I'm just going to get out at break even. This trade is taking entirely too long for me, and it's already 12 o'clock. A part of that is my fault for coming to the markets late, but I don't plan on staying in this trade any longer, so I'm getting out here at break even. And this trade could potentially play out, but I don't want to take any more chances, and normally I'm out of the market by 12. So I'm going to stick to my trading plan, and we're going to call it a day, and we'll see how tomorrow looks. Let's talk about today's trade. Today's trade, it just took way too long for it to hit my take profit area. I sat in the trade for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I decided to get out at break even once NAS100 start coming back toward my break even, my entry area. And I'm normally off the charts about 12. So me following my trading rules, I just went ahead and got out the market. Now, NAS100 still can possibly go up and hit my TP, but I'm no longer in the trade. So if it does hit my TP, then my overall analysis was correct. The type of trader I am, I'm a scalper, so I like to be in and out of the market. If I'm still waiting for price to hit my take profit at more than an hour or an hour or two, then it could possibly reverse on me. So if I don't win the trade within an hour to 2 hour time frame, I'm out of that trade. I'm not about to continue to hold a trade that could possibly reverse on me. This was also my first trade that I took this week. I didn't trade Monday through Wednesday, mainly because Monday was a holiday. It was Martin Luther King Day. And Tuesday, I just wasn't feeling it. Like, I woke up in a mood where I just didn't feel like trading. And Wednesday was another chill day for me. I just didn't feel like turning on my charts and trading. And as far as today, I felt like I was just going with the flow. I woke up around 8:30, and I just took my time getting prepared to get to the charts. And when I finally decided to get to the charts, it was after 9:30. Market open. I saw that we had news at 11 o'clock today, so I didn't want to rush it and find an entry and then price start acting weird around news, because sometimes that happens. So I ended up waiting till after news to see if I could find a setup, in which I did find a setup on NAS and Go, but I decided to take NAS. And NAS didn't play out as quickly as I would have hoped. And that's okay, because there was no money lost today. It was a break-even day. I'm gonna get back on the charts and try it again tomorrow if I see a setup. But if I don't see a setup, I will not be trading Friday as well. And I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that it is okay if you don't find a setup every day. It's okay if you don't trade. Listen to your body. If you don't feel it, then don't take it. Last year, I took so many unnecessary losses because I just had to be on the charts. You do not have to be on the charts every day. And I know we get that urge to make money because it's quick money. You can make money just like that. Like, we can make money in minutes. Basically, we make money in minutes, and sometimes we let that greed get the best of us, and a lot of us end up losing money, blowing accounts, blowing prop firm accounts, blowing live accounts, you know. So I just want to start being more intuitive with myself and just getting better, being a more disciplined trader. That is my goal this year. Last year I was disciplined, but this year I want to be even more disciplined of finding 1 or 2 setups a day. My goals for this year is trading completely live. Like, I want to go live. I want to invest about 5 to 10K into my trading account and just work with that. I don't want to do any more prop firm this year. I would rather trade with my own money and follow my own rules. I would like to trade my own money around April or May. So up until that time, I'll be preparing to do so. If you're watching me and you received value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have a question about trading or anything else on my channel, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll get back with you. Like always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.